Hey there everybody, welcome back to the channel. This week on Mize Adventure, we're jumping right back on the 2F rebuild project, and Evan's lead machinist, Steven, is going to show me how to balance the entire rotating assembly. Evan, do you want to tell the audience a little bit more about what I learned this week and exactly go into depth what we're doing?
Sure, no problem. So what we're going to do here, as he said, is balance the rotating assembly, and that entails weight matching all the components, the rods, the pistons, rings, bearings, wrist pins. All that gets weight matched so they're close to identical as possible. And then from there, we'll put the crank on this machine here. This is a TNS balancer. And we'll spin the crank, and the computer will tell us where the imbalance is on the crankshaft and where we need to remove material to bring the crank into balance based on the weight of the rest of the rotating assembly.
Evan told me I had to clean this machine with this little brush before I left for the day. But all I gotta say is my motor rebuild is coming along more quickly than I could ever imagine. I'd really appreciate it if you could subscribe, like, and share these videos to stay up to date with the entire rebuild and everything to come in the next couple weeks. I really appreciate you stopping by, and we'll see you next time.